If you're looking for windmill wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 windmill wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Specialty Imports. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by CT Discount Store. Number 3, by NALAKUVARA. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Big Sky. Number 5, by the Gerson Company. Find these windmill wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Gianna's Home. Number 7, by KNL Store. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Marriage. Number 9, by IMAX. Discover more windmill wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Home Cricket.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.